Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the Smashbox Foundation right here. It's called Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and it looks like that. I was not quite sure of my shade, but I followed their shade match on the screen. So I've got the shade 3.35 and it says skin tone is medium dark and undertone is warm. I saw the demo on Instagram. I saw someone with a tattoo trying to cover the tattoo with the foundation, so I was quite impressed with that, and I thought, wow, I need to try this and find out for myself to see if this works or not. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very lightweight and I believe it's travel friendly. Look at that. That's what I've got on me. That is not runny whatsoever. As you can tell, it's not moving that much, but let's just give it a go and see how it works. It's quite full coverage and it looks lighter. It looks lighter than my skin tone. Let's see. Whoa. The coverage is amazing, but as I mentioned earlier, I got the wrong shade the way it is now, I believe, but let's just see how it works. But so far so good. I'm not mad at the coverage so far. I quite like the coverage, apart from the fact that I chose the wrong shade. You can't trust this computer screen, so I'll suggest if you want to get this, you should walk into the store to try and get a shade match and all. But so far so good in terms of coverage. I am feeling this off my neck so far. I mean the shade I chose, but let's just see how that works, because sometimes my face goes darker than my neck, as opposed to people saying their neck is darker than their face. That's different for me. My neck is always lighter than my face for some reason. I don't know why. I noticed that you can build this up if you like. But so far so good. I'm quite good with the coverage, but I could tell that it went on, nicely on this side as well. Still using the one pump that I showed you guys just now. It's not far off the color of my neck. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe not. This shade would have been a nice concealer shade for me, but so far so good in terms of the coverage. I'm actually feeling myself. I really don't think I need any concealer with this one because the coverage is just amazing. I mean, I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm feeling the way the coverage is with my skin, looking nice and smooth without any cakey feel and all that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that anyway, but just apply a tiny bit of this shade from the ABH palette as my concealer, just a tiny bit. Hi guys, so I promised to update you guys about this foundation, and in the morning I applied the foundation around 10 a.m 11ish. I'm not quite sure, I can't remember, but I actually took my makeup off around 10:30 at night, and to my surprise my makeup was still the same, at least based on the that day. I actually wore the foundation for approximately 12 hours and everything was still in place. I actually didn't want to take off the makeup because everything was still intact. I'm quite impressed with the longevity of the foundation and how well everything applied on my skin after applying the foundation. So stay tuned for my review and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, so I am back. So let me just give you the tea about this foundation so far. So far so good. What I noticed about the foundation is the fact that it applied smoothly on my skin. As you guys can tell earlier, at first I thought the shade was way too light for me, but as you guys can tell now, it's very close to my neck and chest and everything looks seamlessly. In my opinion, let me know what you guys think. So far so good. I think I'm definitely gonna stick to that shade and keep using the same shade. I believe that shade is a close match, if not perfect, but I'll still go in store to do a proper shade match soon. For now, I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the foundation so far, excluding the fact that it might be the perfect match or not. I'll leave you guys to be the judge of that. Anyway, the first thing that I noticed about the foundation is the fact that immediately you apply it on your skin, you can tell that it's very full coverage. At the same time, it's lightweight on the skin. I don't know how they did that, but I really quite like the way it's applied on my skin really smooth. Although you're advised on their website to, you know, use the Smashbox photo finish primer, which was what I used. I don't know if that really made any difference or not, but I think any, you know, foundation primer would be good, but I use the Smashbox photo finish primer anyway. So the next thing that I noticed about the foundation is the fact that it's not the kind of running foundation, and at the same time it's not really that kind of thick cakey foundation at all. You know, when your foundation is full coverage and at the same time it's not cakey, it's lightweight on the skin, that's exactly how I feel about this foundation. And another thing that I noticed about the foundation that I really like a lot, I love the packaging a lot, guys. I love the packaging. It's travel friendly and is, you know, like waste proof. I don't know if that is a word anyway, but what I'm trying to say in essence is the fact that packaging is really, you know, lightweight and travel friendly, so there's no way you're gonna waste it or you're gonna have a mess anyhow. You can, you know, apply the, you know, size that you need on, you know, the back of your hand or anywhere you apply your own foundation. But so far so good. I really quite like the packaging. It's really nice and travel friendly and also very lightweight. So yeah, it's very easy to put in your purse, in your wallet, anywhere. Let's just see how it works. I'm going to give you an update when I'm doing the, you know, voiceover of this video, but so far so good. I don't think you'll be needing any touch up with this one. So yeah, but if you're traveling and you need, you know, you don't really have enough space in your bag, then this packaging will definitely come handy, because you can just put it in your purse or in anywhere, your back pocket, wherever. Or when you're in a hurry to go out to work or anything, you know, sometimes I do wear my makeup on the train, so that is where this cute packaging comes in. It's travel friendly and very easy to carry about with you. So yeah, another thing that I noticed about the foundation so far is the fact that apart from the fact that it's lightweight on the skin, the coverage is just phenomenal. The coverage is amazing. Like when I applied it on this area that I actually had hyperpigmentation and acne scar and everything, it just went on smoothly, and a little goes a long way, guys. I only used a pea size, you know, all over my face, and I was able to achieve that, you know, full coverage look without looking cakey. I really quite like that, you know, about this foundation. So you don't really need a lot at all. This jar will definitely last you a long time. Like it's gonna last you a lifetime, because a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot at all you need is a pea size. Another thing that I really like about the foundation is the fact that they also mention the fact that it's enriched with all the skin loving ingredients like vitamin E and all that. So I'm quite impressed that ingredients like that are included in the foundation. So as you're applying your foundation, you'd also benefit from all the, you know, skin loving ingredients that is, you know, in the foundation as well. So I really quite like that about the foundation as well. But so far so good. I am loving it. Foundation does not settle on my fine line whatsoever, and all the product that I applied so far, like the concealer, the contour and everything just went on smoothly on it. I don't know if you guys can tell the way my skin feels. Like seriously, you'd have thought that this was actually my real skin, my bare skin, apart from the contour and everything that I applied on it. But when I actually applied the foundation alone, I love the way it felt on my skin. Everything looks so, you know, uniform and really nice. I really quite like the way it feels on the skin. I'm a huge fan of this foundation so far, based on, you know, what I've seen so far in terms of the coverage, in terms of the ingredients, in terms of the fact that, in terms of the packaging, and in terms of the price. They actually had this foundation in 40 shades, guys. 40 shades. So there is always something for everyone. So you definitely find a foundation that, you know, is closer to your skin tone or perfect for your skin tone, depending on you and depending on whether you go into store to purchase it or you purchase it online just like I did and try your luck. But so far so good. I am quite pleased with the one that I chose, because as you can tell, the difference between my face and my neck and chest is not that crazy or ghosty. You guys would be the judge of that. So their shipping was really quick. The foundation actually arrived after 2 days after I purchased the foundation, so I'm really quite impressed with that as well. Yeah, that's my thoughts about the foundation so far. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the one I've got is the right match for me, or do you think I should have got a darker one, or do you think I should, you know, I've got a lighter one, or what do you think? But based on what I'm seeing so far in real life and on camera so far, I think, in my opinion, the shade is actually the right match for me. Like normal foundation smell, nothing, you know, overpowering or something, but yeah, it doesn't really have a smell to me. Maybe maybe my nose is not functioning properly, but yeah, I'm not mad at the smell at all. It doesn't, it's, I'm not bothered about that because there's no, you know, I'm not bothered about that really, but yeah, it doesn't have any fragrance to it, so I'm quite happy with that. And also it's cruelty free. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the foundation so far. I'll leave the details of the, you know, products in the description box, so please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.